has just gone up a few decibels inside the stadium. And as we've seen now, every team here in the World Cup has got free kick specialists, and the pace he hits that at, gets it up and down over the walls, the key thing, just doesn't give the goalkeeper any chance whatsoever, Agassi. He's got decent position, he slightly moves left, and if he stays where he is, he probably gets a hand to it. But he sneaks behind the wall, trying to anticipate, second guess. Lee Chung-soo, fantastic free kick.
Lee Chung-soo's 8th into